Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can pick an affiliate product from Clickbank and know that it will convert. So this will help you if you're a beginner, if you wonder which products to pick off the Clickbank marketplace, if you're confused about all of the stats or just which one to go for. This will really help. Grab a notepad and paper, or a notepad and pen I should say. No good having two bits of paper on your desk. So a notepad and pen, and take notes. This will really help you because I'm going to hopefully give you an insight here that will give you an aha moment. So I'm going to get right into it. I'm not going to hold off on it. We're going to get right into it. So here's the thing. When you want to sell a product off Clickbank as an affiliate, most people go through the marketplace and they go through the different sections here, and they're just looking for products that are popular or that have a high gravity. Okay, and that is good. That's good to do. It will show you what products are popular and which ones are really a high gravity with affiliates. What it doesn't do is it doesn't tell you how the page is converting. So let's look at this product here, flat belly fix, for example. It could be a case, I don't know, but it could be a case that the gravity is going up because they've got a lot of joint ventures. So they've got a lot of people sending emails out already with lists of people on like weight loss people, and it could be enhancing the gravity. I'm not saying that that's the case, but I am saying to you, if you're a beginner and you're looking at making an income from Clickbank from scratch without a list or anything like that, it's not the first thing that you want to look at. Here's what you want to do to pick a product, and I thought the best way to actually do it is to give you an example of two products so you get an idea of what I'm talking about. So if we go down here, the one I picked was this one, okay, the Venus Factor, and it's a weight loss program specifically targeting females. Okay, what you want to do when you pick any product from Clickbank is have a look through the sales video, have a watch through the sales video, and have a read through the sales page, A to Z. Okay, literally sit there and it will allow you to get an idea of the product. It will allow you to get an idea of what's actually in it, who they're targeting, the messaging, and so on. You don't need to be a master copywriter, so don't worry. As a beginner, it does help if you know copywriting and you know whether a page is going to convert. But as a beginner, if you don't know any of that stuff, just literally look at the sales page, look at the sales video, go through it, and ask yourself whether you would buy the product. Try and put yourself in the shoes of the person buying, and ask, would you actually purchase the product? Does it look good? Is it good messaging? Here's a little tip for you. Focus more on the message than the actual look and feel of the website. Now, you know, it doesn't have to be a really fancy looking website to actually convert. Which brings me to my second tip for you, and then I'll get into one of the most important ones. My second tip for you is this. Have a think about the actual problem that it's solving. So if we pick any product from Clickbank, I know they're all info products and so on, but the reason for them is that they will provide solutions to problems. As a beginner on Clickbank, the first thing you want to do is think, how big is this problem? How urgent is this problem? Okay, I'll give you an example. If you're promoting a product from Clickbank and it might be how to make your writing neater. Do you suffer from bad writing? You know, ugly writing? This course will show you how to write wonderful words and have a really sort of beautiful script when you write. There's no problem with a product like that, just pulled that out of my head, but there's no urgency there. There's not going to be a big market that are going, I absolutely have to improve my handwriting right now and the way it looks. There will be, but when you're looking at a product to promote, what you want to do as a beginner is look, how urgent, how much of a pain is this problem? Okay, what would it mean to the person in a feeling sense if that problem was to be fixed? And that's how you want to pick your first product. Okay, Like focus on obviously the sales copy, but look at the messaging and look at the problem and how well it actually comes across, that how big the problem is. That's what you want to do. Okay, putting it all together, this is the key thing. This will make you money from the offset. You want to target people that are most likely to buy. And I know that sounds obvious, but the way you do that is by picking the subset of people that are in the most pain that the product offers a solution for. Okay, really quick example. You're in the desert and you're dying of thirst. How much will you pay for a glass of water? Or a glass of anything that's liquid? Okay, that's the sort of thing that you want to do. And as an example with this product, the reason I picked it out is what you don't want to do is just target all females looking to lose weight, because there's different degrees of pain there. There's females that are a few pounds overweight, there's females that are really overweight, but the reasons behind that and the medical reasons and all of that stuff will be so varied that you're never going to get the messaging correct. So when you're actually promoting the product and when you're looking to spend money on ads, for instance, you're going to end up not making any money and going for a wide sweep. And the best case scenario is that you make a few sales here and there, but you want to target in to a group and obviously make sure the product helps and it's valuable. I'm taking that as a given just for this video. The product has to be good and it has to do what it says. But you want to go to the people that are in the most pain and need a solution the most urgently that the product actually helps with. And I'll give you an example using this product. So what I did, I picked this product out for a reason. So female fat loss, female weight loss. You got two things here. You could target every single female looking to lose weight, or you could look at specific scenarios that might be causing them the most pain. And I picked out a couple. So it's almost like a subset niche. So that's still a weight loss program, but imagine this scenario. We only target women that want to lose weight after pregnancy. Okay? There's also a huge amount of how to lose weight after pregnancy, 1,000 searches a month. Okay? And I'm not talking about SEO here and getting ranked and getting those searches. I'm saying we target a specific problem, So we know that if we're targeting women that are looking to lose weight after being pregnant, you know exactly who you're speaking to. You have a rough idea, a very good idea of their age groups, okay, like below 50 as a rule, okay, and then you're speaking to them directly, and then you can either, for your own products, you could either craft the copy to that specific market, and your messaging, if you're promoting an affiliate product like this, you can craft it to them. And the reason I picked that as an example is because it's a really good area where women will experience a lot of pain, maybe not being able to get their figure back, and all of those things, okay? And the other thing is, I'll give you another way that you could do it. Women, because it's targeting women specifically, women over the age of 40, women over the age of 50 looking to lose weight, okay? Perfect exercise plan for women over 40, women over 50. Okay, so that's like the first example. I'll show you another example really quick. Okay, so here's another one in a totally different niche, and I'll just give you an example. So this product essentially shows people how to jump high to dunk a basketball. That's essentially what it is. And all the fanciness away, that's what it is. So very, very good sales page. But what it will do is show you how to dunk a basketball, and it's $67. So if you were going to make money with this, what people commonly do is just set up an ad or start promoting to people that want to dunk a basketball. Okay? And there's no problem with that. And if you send enough traffic, you're going to make sales. Okay? But if you're looking to do it through paid ads, you'll probably blow your budget before you even make sales. Again, just like we looked at with the Venus factor and women looking to lose weight, you pick a specific subset, especially when you're starting, and branch out as you go, but you pick a specific subset of that area that are experiencing the most pain. And I'll give you a really quick example. Jump higher to dunk a basketball. Imagine just targeting people that are trying for the college basketball team, or that currently play college basketball but can't dunk a basketball. So we target them specifically on Facebook. How much higher do you think the conversion rate would be than just targeting anyone looking up information on the web? Because you can look at on YouTube how to dunk a basketball. So the people that are most likely to buy an in-depth program that takes you through it are people that are currently, where it's serious to them. They take basketball seriously. It's like a career, or it's something they're really, really into, something they're trying out on the college team. And if you target those people, that's your pain market. That's the people in the most pain, because they really need to be good, because they're part of a team and they feel that they're letting their team down, and they want to be better, and they want to have all the skills, and if they can't dunk, it has an effect on them. Rather than someone just in the playground having some fun, they're unlikely to pay money initially for a how to dunk a basketball. So the main thing I want you to get from this video is just that. If you remember anything from this video, it's that concept. When you're picking a product from Clickbank, number one, it's not all about the gravity and the popularity, okay? Because those numbers can be enhanced and so on with different ways and strategies. Number two, make sure that the product itself is a big problem, okay? The bigger the problem, the more serious the problem, the more people want a solution, the better the area that you're going into. And another little aside on that, do check Google and see if anyone's like paying for ads and actually they're advertising on some of the terms, and you'll get an idea of how popular the market is. And third, most important point, make sure that you target the people within that group that are in the most pain and need a solution the most. Not only will you be helping more as long as the product's good, but you'll get far better conversions. The other thing that you can do when you do that is you can specifically speak to those people. Like we had a look at with the Venus Factor. If you've got a sales page that's aimed specifically at women looking to lose weight after pregnancy and get their figure back and making them feel young again, and all that, you research it all and their main sort of pain areas, if you will. Again, I'm assuming here that the product's good. I'm not saying at all that you just do this with any product. Do check it out, make sure that it's a good product. But then you're helping a specific group of people that are in the most pain with a really, really great solution, and you'll make sales. So that is what I recommend. If you're a beginner at Clickbank and you're looking to pick a product, don't just pick one with a high gravity. Really, really nail in, like zone into the problem. What problem does it fix? Who is your market? I'll always ask who first. Who is the person in the most pain that this product will solve? And zero in on that. And have a look on Google and have a look at the market and have a look if anyone else is selling anything. And at least start there. And then you can branch out once you've got a few sales in, but that will really, really help you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in this stuff and you want help doing it, do check out the link below. It will take you through to, it's in the description on YouTube. It's called Project Emergency Cash, and it's been specifically built to help you do this, to help you build a simple Clickbank funnel that will sell for you on autopilot. Because the other big thing, once you've done all that, is just sending people through to a sales page isn't the best way of doing it. What you then want to do, I've covered those points, but then what you want to do is actually help people before you even ask for money off them. If you give them some little wins, if you give them some the actual things that they can use right now to start seeing results, and then you have a product that enhances all of that and gives them a complete, that's how you want to do it. So if you want help setting up the funnel, I've set this up, Project Emergency Cash. It shows you how to pick a niche from Clickbank that will convert, and it will also show you how to set up all the pages you need step by step. I show you the free tools and I show you paid ones. It doesn't matter which ones you use, they're both absolutely fine. It's what we're writing on them and what we're doing on them that will make the difference. But I show you how to set it all up, how to write all your emails, exactly what to say, okay, how to work out what to say in your niche, and how to set it up fully automated. So what you've got then is a funnel that actually helps, like what we had a look at, like actually helps in a specific market. So you know that people opting in are laser targeted and you're helping them. You're actually offering help before you ask for any money off them, and that's what will get you making sales, and then you can build it up from there. I show you exactly how to get traffic. In fact, I've got a full guarantee on it. If you get this and you do it, you actually incorporate it and you follow the traffic plan and you're not making sales, I'll give you a full refund because I know it works. I also show you how to use Facebook ads as well. So once you've got the entire funnel set up, once it's converting, once you're making sales, you can then use Facebook ads, which is easy if you follow these steps. It's easy to contact people specifically on Facebook. The way Facebook ads doesn't work is when you're just trying to do a wide sweep, unless you've got an incredible budget, like really high budget. But if you're looking to make money, you don't want to have your ads costing more than you're making. And the way you do it is target the specific people. But you also need to know that the funnel's converting, and you need to have a funnel. Okay, just sending people straight through to a sales page, no matter how good it is, won't give you a big enough conversion rate to actually warrant doing that. So let me show you how to do this. If you want to learn how to set up a simple funnel on Clickbank with a great product and actually speak to the market, and step by step I take you through and show you how to do it and show you how to get the traffic as well. So I'm excited about it. I've put a discount on for 3 days, and then it is going up because I am going to be selling this on Facebook ads myself. So if you want to check it out, check out the video here. It will tell you everything that you get. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some value from this video, and I'll see you in Project Emergency Cash. Cheers, guys.